Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about the Moment lenses which have built a quite reputation worldwide for their quality. In fact, they are considered the best lenses for smartphones out there. These are the three lenses that Moment produces: a macro, a tele and a wide. So let's take a look at the lenses one by one, starting with the macro. The first thing I notice is that the package is very well done and it feels premium. Inside the box you'll find a Wacom card, which is actually a beautiful picture shot by a user. Then you'll find the lens itself, which is really solid, well built and has a nice weight, but we'll take a look at it in a second. Lastly but not least, there is a carrying bag for the lens, which is essential but useful. Unfortunately, Moment didn't include the lens cap, which can be purchased separately. But honestly, I think that if you have good care of the lens and you generally keep it clean, you won't ever need a lens cap. The telelens looks simply amazing. Yes, it has a significant amount of weight, but it's actually less than what I was expecting. I love the design of the wide lens. Again, also this one feels solid, well built and premium. So let's take a look at the quality of these glasses one by one. First of all, let me specify that the base plates available are just for iPhone, Samsung and Nexus, so I strongly advise you to consider this before you purchase these lenses, as if you try to use these plates on other devices, you might find that the lenses will not perform as well as they should. In fact, my primary device right now is a OnePlus 3, but luckily enough, it looks like the shape of its camera is very similar to the one of the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. So I got a plate for the S6 Edge and I attached to it, and to me it looks like it's working very well, especially with the macro and the wide lenses. These are some nice shots that I got with the macro lens. I must admit that I was completely shocked the first time I looked into it. This lens magnified the image so much that I could actually see the insect digesting the nectar. This is instead a quick series of shots taken without and with the wide lens, so you can have a very clear idea of the field of view that you can achieve with it. As you can see by zooming on the edge of the shot, the quality and the crispness of the image is pretty much preserved almost entirely everywhere, despite I'm using a base plate that is not intended for this phone. And lastly but not least, the tele, which is the lens I was more interested in because it allows me to shoot nice close-ups, which is the option I always wanted to have on a smartphone. You can appreciate by yourself how close you can get to the subject thanks to this tele lens, and the greatest thing is that also in this case the crispness of the image is completely preserved. So that's it for now. This was just a brief taste of what Moment lenses are capable of. As usual, I'm gonna test more and share the results with you. So if you haven't done it already, please subscribe to EXIV channel and keep in touch. All the best. Bye.